Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, Cherish Coco. In today's video I'll be showing you how to know a quality picture. Alright, I saw this picture online and I'm going to work on it, and I'll tell you the difference between this picture before and the picture after. For you to know a blurry picture, you have to zoom the picture first. This is the picture, so when you zoom the picture you see that the picture remain blurry. Alright, if you have any picture on your phone, just try and pinch it with your thumb and your index finger. That means your daddy finger and your mommy finger. Pinch your phone on it and zoom the picture on your phone. If the picture remain blurry, that means it's not a quality picture. Alright, so let's go to the after of this picture. Let's see the after of this picture. After working and editing the picture, this is the result from the blurry type to this type. Now when you zoom this picture, you see the quality remain the same. The picture is not blurry, unlike the first one, which is before. So after working on it, you can see the clarity. The picture remain what? Very clear. So this is how to know if a picture is quality or not. You have to zoom it, and the quality will remain the same. So let's use this AI picture to do the third one. Can you see this picture? You see the quality remain the same, unlike the first picture, which is this. You see it's kind of blurry. So this is how to know a quality picture. So this is before and this is after. So let's try to zoom it and see. You can see the difference between the two. So this is how to know if your picture is quality or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon on my next video. Bye.